too far over. Scooch forward. Come over here. Scooch. There you go. Back a little bit.
Sydney, kind of put it up there on top of that snow and pull it down.
Dang, that is so much. I'm gonna try it out.
Find your spot and then kind of drop it hard into that snow.
Ready? Yeah. Scooch back a little bit. No, I think that's... No. I told you. See, I was perfectly fine. What?